Hello guys, this is Eddie from SHENZHEN, and today we would like to show you Lightweld of 1500 watts. And here is the gas. We use the eco gas. Here is Lightweld. This is the air fans cooling system. And this is the wire feeder. Right now we can show you 1500 watt Lightweld. The stainless steel with a 3mm, and here is the welding head. And right now we can show you 3mm stainless steel. Okay, let's go do it. Due we use the wire feeder, wrote the stainless steel.
差不多啊，我操。
4mm mild steel. This is Eddie from SHENZHEN. Okay, right now we can show you world result with 4mm mild steel of